It's Muffin Monday, and today I'm doing a peanut butter chocolate chip muffin. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of chunky peanut butter, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of regular sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. You'll want to cream together with a hand mixer your sugars, your egg, and your peanut butter. Now you'll want to add your milk in 3 parts, mixing after each addition. Now mix in your flour and your baking powder, and you want to mix it to where you just don't see the flour anymore. Now beat in your chocolate chips just for a second. Now fill your muffin cups. I sprayed my liners, and I've also had my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you want to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. It actually took about 22 minutes for mine. And here they are. These are a favorite of ours. I've been making these muffins for years, and they're so good. I really love them, and my family loves them. My son was excited, said he'd been thinking about these muffins just the other day, and it's been a while since I've made them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. If you like this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.